Okay, with the Jackson soloist Dinky again. It's tuned up. It was in the area of A or E, standard tuning 440. So I locked it into that because I didn't want to readjust the whole Tremolo system. It is a licensed Floyd Rose, Jackson. I did open it up. Those pickups are not active. They're just... I'll have to look it up. I'm not sure exactly which model Jackson pickups they are, but they do have Jackson covers, Jackson logo, and it holds pretty good. Okay, it's unplugged. I don't have it into anything, so it's just you're just getting the acoustic resonance feel of the guitar itself, and so not bad. I think it's pretty cool. I think this will make a new owner quite happy. So yeah, I don't play it. This is the first time in over 10 years. Could be 15. I think it's around 2010 when I pulled it out. I may have pulled it out and looked at it, but I didn't really play it that I can remember. It's just sat in my studio in its gig bag for a long time. Yeah. Okay, there you go, man. Jackson. Action Jackson.